how can you change your business name on Google business profile without getting suspended? This is a big issue, and don't just go on your business profile and change that, otherwise you will be getting that suspended. So in this video I'll be talking about exactly how you can do so. Without any further ado, I'll just get into the video. But just a quick note that if in case you're looking for a tool that could help you improve your rankings in Google Maps and especially do the audit part, I've recently launched gbranker.com. It's really affordable, like it costs like $7 a month, but gives you real stuff that you need to implement to improve your Google business profile ranking. Now let's get into the video without any further ado. So this is a widely asked question: how can I change my business name? So this is another guy who wants to change his name, but a Google product expert said that just go to Google Business Profile Manager, select the location you want to change the name for, click on the info tab, click on the pencil icon text, and apply your new business name. That's it. But is that it? If you do so, you are gonna get suspended. See, there's a difference between adding something and then changing the whole name. If you're adding any sort of word to your existing name, that's absolutely fine, because part of your existing name still matches to your business name across the web. On any directory you have signed up, or a couple of hundreds of citations you have built for the SEO part. Google checks for your business name across the web. So if it doesn't match, Google's gonna either get you suspended or reject the name change that you have requested. So if you're adding something, it's still matching, because if let's say your business name is XYZ and now you're adding ABC. If you think citations, your business mentions and everything is listed as XYZ. Now if Google verifies XYZ is matching with XYZ on any other citations, directories, or whatever that is, because even if you're adding ABC, XYZ still exists. But now if in case you're changing it entirely from XYZ, if you're rebranding or something, and you're changing it from XYZ to just ABC, you're just removing XYZ, in that case your whole name is getting changed. So in that case, you'll have to first of all check all of your citations. These are the main one. You can also go and edit in guest post, mentions, or embeds, whatever you have done. But the key elements are citations and your publicly available information, such as this guy mentioned information from a business official website, including your official website, your website, then directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, and Apple Maps, Bing Maps, and all of these big platforms. I'm not talking about citations or directories that gets no traffic at all. Obviously you should be able to change that as well, but the important one are the other ones I talked about. So yeah, as this guy says, the document how Google sources and uses info in the business profile and local search results states that Google may add or change information on a business profile using publicly available information. That is the key. These publicly available information are, again, your embeds, your mentions, and pretty much your citations. So if the name change you make doesn't match what Google finds elsewhere, then it will likely get rejected, or in most of the cases your business is gonna get suspended. So yeah, change everything on your Facebook, Instagram, social media, then citations, and yeah, that's all you need to do. If you have any other question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I am also thinking of opening the consultation stuff again. So if you're an SEO or a business owner who wants to do SEO himself, or you want to do it yourself, I'm thinking to open the consultation spot again. Let me know if you will be interested in that. And yeah, I'll be back with another video. That was it for today's one. Thank you. Bye bye.